Hi, welcome to the Property Advisor. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, can I lose my deposit? Please check out the other videos if you're watching on YouTube where we cover what the deposit is. But assuming you've watched those videos, now let's hit this question. Can I lose my deposit? The answer to this is based around how well your contract is written. And if it's written properly and you perform according to that contract, the simple answer is no. Understanding contingencies is at the core of this issue. A contingency is simply a condition. It's like saying, hey, I'll buy your car if you paint it black before we give you the money. So you're saying the same thing with a house. I'll buy your house provided it passes all the inspections. If the house doesn't pass all the inspections, you're going to get your deposit back, and there's a process for that. So understanding contingencies is a key. There is a physical inspection contingency and there is a finance contingency. The first one lasts 17 days and the second lasts 21 days. So you go into escrow, you have 17 days to inspect that property, hire contractors, and of course your realtor will help you with all of that. At the end of the 17 days, you'll receive a contingency removal form from the seller and you'll be asked to remove your inspection contingency. The appraisal is done, your loan is underwritten, your loan will go to the approval process. After 21 days, you're going to need to have all of that done. So get on it as soon as you get started, and after 21 days, you will remove your finance contingency. After you've removed those contingencies, then your deposit can be in jeopardy if you don't close. So make sure that you understand contingencies, you have the home inspected, you get your loan processed before you sign contingency removal. The last question people always ask me is, if I cancel, can I get my money back? Look, make sure that you cancel within the contingency period so that your deposit is indeed refundable. I hope this was helpful to you. Watch the Property Advisor. We've got a bunch more videos for you to watch. Please click subscribe. Make sure you get notifications and select all so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks so much.